Alright guys, so this is what we're working with today. As you can see, this is life with a child, a toddler to be specific, 2-year-old, almost 3. So we're actually gonna deep clean our carpet because when we just moved in a couple of months ago, and we were waiting to do deep cleaning after the holidays, so that in case we did get all of this dirty, we could clean it all at once and not have to do it before and after, because we're renting the vacuum system. So let's get this place clean. I wish this would work. What happened? It doesn't work. Okay, let's get this started. This is everything I took out from that room, which is, what is this, the entry room? I don't know, what is this, like the entry closet room. which has been like kind of like our catch-all room, even though this is not like our main traffic area. We just put all of our shoes there, get rid of some shoes that we don't even use anymore, get rid of some shoes that doesn't fit anymore, and then rearrange all of this stuff that is already trash. And then all of these hats and stuff, more junk over here, backpacks and things, blankets, and get everything organized again. Oh, by the way, this is from the previous owners. They had this in the living room as their curtains. I mean, I don't know why you would have this color, but we kept it for painting, and we already used it downstairs in the basement to paint. So that's why I still have it. Alright, so I already went through everything here. I ended up taking all the coats out, all these jackets, because I realized that we don't really need all of this, and basically all of this is mine. We don't really go anywhere, so I'm only leaving. This is pretty much what I tend to use depending on the weather, if it's not too cold or if it's too cold. But all of this needs to go upstairs. I was thinking of moving it to the garage area, because that's mainly our main traffic area where we tend to come in, and we come all the way over here to switch out our shoes into our slippers or just be barefooted. So I figured it would be better to just keep it in the garage or in the laundry room to avoid us walking through this entire area to come and switch out shoes, to keep it clean in here. This I will keep in here in this room just in case I need it. All of this is gonna go to the basement. That is all trash. All of this and those extra shoes over there. We have so many shoes here that we never even used. Well, we were using them, but now that it's colder and snowing, we're definitely not using any of that, and we're not really going out anywhere, so we don't need to have any of that extra stuff here. And I'm gonna get rid of those shoes that I never used. I put them down here to see if I would use them whenever it would snow or would get colder, but I just don't like them the way they look on me, so I'm not gonna be wearing them. So I'm just gonna get rid of them. They're completely new. I don't think I ever used them, to be honest. I've had them for years, and I keep holding on to them thinking that I'm gonna use them, and I don't. So that is sad. It's cold. So here I ended up leaving this new jacket that was gifted to my son, some gloves for whenever we go outside in the snow, which is snowing right now. Well, actually it's not even snowing anymore, it's already melting. Even though I'm not using this right now, I just thought it was nice to keep it there. There's an extra hat, and we always like to have just bags around for whenever we go outside and we want to take stuff for our son. It's always good to just have a bag to get it out. Here I ended up just moving all these wood shelving things and just kind of putting them more or less where I would use them. I left this one empty because this is where our slippers go, and we're all using them right now. This is gonna be in my son's section. He already just came in and took his other boots that he always uses, and I decided to keep this little diaper caddy here just in case, even though we're not using them, and some extra wipes, because if you have kids, it's always good to just have them anywhere, all over the house. Some extra towels here for whenever I do like wet activities with my son. This massage thing with massage stuff section, and then blankets. And I don't know if to keep this or not. I was just trying to see if to keep it or not, or just putting this on its own on top. These are just the tablet, some pens, and Bible stuff, but I don't know what to do there, so I'm just trying to see if that works for now. And there's some extra shelvings there that I just don't think we're gonna use them for the moment, and I came down to just 4 items, which is this is when I use whenever I work out in the basement and I feel a little bit cold, because then I get really hot after working out. An extra jacket for whenever it's slightly not that cold outside, when it's super cold. But I don't really use this one, so I don't know, I might even put it up or just keep it here. I have used it, but I don't know. And then this one, look at all this stuff. I do use this one, and right now I'm actually using my green one that I am gonna be putting in one of these hooks. But that is it. It looks so much better now, and we actually have space now to put like some of the toys that my son leaves in the living room. I was just thinking just keeping it in here instead of just keeping it out in the living room all the time. This is how I ended up organizing it yesterday, and it's pretty much stayed like this today, so it's working out so far. But we'll see at the end of the week how it stays. So yeah.